Tonight we are staying in Disney's Wilderness Lodge in a deluxe studio room in the Copper Creek Villas. Notice it's been refreshed. It's a little newer but not as woodsy themed as Boulder Ridge. It's got a little bit of woodsy feel, but it's a little bit more modern and cleaner of lines and not as much, I don't know, cabinish, but still nice all the same.
Oh, we're doing this now? Okay, hey guys, come on in, come on in.
Here's our studio, deluxe studio villa. We're gonna look around here a little bit. Hello, I have to wave in every mirror. It's a thing because that's when I get to see you guys. Right inside the door is the bathroom. And let me turn around and I'll show you. There's the door we just came from. Wow, it has a full-length mirror. That's so cool. And this door on the tracks, this rolling door, so that makes that bathroom area a really good area for people to change their clothes, get ready to go to the pool. But I like those sliding doors. They're such space savers, but they still offer privacy. So here we go. The H2O spa products are a big thing in the deluxe resorts, and I love having them. They smell wonderful. Let's look here. Oh, hair dryer. How much storage is under there?
Oh boy, a lot. And of course, extra Kleenex, toilet paper. And in here is the toilet room. It's got the sliding door for the showers. Everything a shower has. It even has the ceiling faucet, which I think is kind of epic.
Oh yeah, the like rain shower head. It's all modernized.
And you can even like take off that once you get your back or whatever you need to do. All right.
So it has a tub. This one does. Let me show you. It has a tub and a shower. I like the color of that tile. And they have a little recessed place to put your soaps. And again, the H2O spa products that aren't offered except in the deluxe resorts right now. And there's the rain head shower and the regular shower. And the little pull-out rope there that you can pull that on the right-hand side and string it across to hang wet bathing suits on. I like that color though. And those shower doors and a towel hook and some trendy totem pole artwork.
And if you check it out, this door is also a sliding door. It has this little thing. If you pull that out, you can close it.
It's called a pocket door.
And you can lock it for extra privacy in case someone's in the bathroom changing, someone's here changing, someone's out there changing. Everyone can change.
Someone can go in the shower and take a shower while other people are out here at the sink still getting ready for bed or whatever they need to do.
It's really nice, guys.
So that's nice and comfy. Oh, and there is a nice little coat closet here. Extra pillow and blanket, iron, an ironing board, hangers, a safe. Very cool. We've already got some stuff in there. But that's a nice little space to store things. And here's the little kitchenette here.
It, of course, has the Joffrey's artisan roasted coffee, if that's your thing. And the coffee maker, which...
And let's see here. I think, there we go. There's the cups for the coffee. Little cabinet and storage space. There's more storage here than you think. There's a cute little pull-out drawer. You can store goodies, canned food, potato chips, whatever.
There's a drawer with some plastic silverware in there.
Ooh,
and
yay.
Can opener, bottle opener, everything you even need, guys. That's kind of sick, right, guys?
Little sink and some dish soap and a scrubby brush and a towel.
And there's also a trash can, of course.
Let's see. What's up here? Oh, toaster. There's a toaster if you want some toast or a bagel, and an ice bucket. Very cool.
And they have extra paper towels, guys. Check that out.
Paper towels are super handy on a vacation, whether you're having a snack or need to clean something up. What about the refrigerator?
Oh, this is the mini refrigerator.
Got a nice little mini fridge. Oh, there's a little spot there to put cans in or bottles. Probably cans. I don't know if it'll close with bottles, but so you can put cans of soda in there and cool them off. We've already got some Gatorade and water in there. You have to stay hydrated and have cold drinks while you're going through the parks. All right, moving on.
A nice little bench here, very comfortable.
You can sit on or put your luggage on it.
And a big drawer. And of course over here, we have tons and tons of drawers. I'll get to that in 1 second. Massive big screen TV, almost as big as my arm span, so that's cool. And then the drawers, of course, which are just multiple drawers, big, small, all shapes, all sizes. But what I really want to focus on is, look at the decoration on these handles. There's an arrow and the leaf, and like there's a bunch of really cool stuff. So they did a really good job with that, guys. Come on. Check it out.
I like how they have the different handles. It's super trendy.
Yeah, of course. And if you want to sit down and play some Uno, maybe, right here would be a good spot to do it, some sort of game. And a mirror, which very stylish, very trendy mirror here, guys. That's really cool.
I like that cute little table for two.
I like this light here. Don't you, Mom? It's pretty nice.
It provides light for the table. I guess it does its job. But it's, again, themed different than the Boulder Ridge rooms. It's more trendy and less woodsy.
Yeah.
But
this, I think, is really cool, guys. Not only does it provide more storage space for you, but it also, when you're sitting here and on the couch, it's way over here and you like have to reach, you can extend it out to where you could eat, play a game with your invisible friend. And
it is good storage space and kind of an extra table space.
This couch also goes into a bed, which we will show you later.
It's a pull-out double sofa bed.
And here's the master bed, guys, which is a very big bed, which my lucky duck parents will be sleeping on.
That's a queen bed, queen size bed.
And as we go back around and finish up this room tour, that one also has a dresser over there, but it's exactly the same, just to let you know. More storage space, stuff like that, guys. And here's cool, there's 2 outlets next to the bed and USB ports.
Yes.
USB ports are key.
Because this is so much more modern. It's been modernized and revamped, and the Boulder Ridge didn't have the USB ports on the outlets.
And as you take a look right behind me, you can see these are all so cool, guys. This is all the little places in Fort Wilderness. And you have the Roaring Ford, Territory Lounge, Shady Point, Copper Creek. You have all of them, guys. And Mom, where are we right now?
Where are we right now?
Yeah, which one
Where
are
do
we?
you think?
I think maybe
Copper Creek?
Yeah, that one.
Yep, Copper Creek Villas. Disney never misses any of the details. If you look around and you take time to stop and smell the roses, so to speak. Even this picture here that looks like a picture has writing that's really small, and it's like news articles that talk about Whispering Canyon Cafe and talks about the story. Everything in Disney has a story, so it talks about the story of the Wilderness Lodge. And this room, at first I was disappointed because we were on the first floor, but this room didn't turn out too bad because we have some privacy because it's behind some bushes here. It's not you don't have as much of a view, but at least this particular room behind the bushes gives privacy. So there's a nice little patio. A lot of these rooms have a balcony. We don't have a balcony because we're on the first floor, but there's a couple chairs and a table. And again, it offers good privacy, and we've decided we can come out here and we sneak right out here through this way, and the pool is right, the Boulder Ridge pool is right on the other side of these bushes across a walking path. So it's real handy to get to the pool this way.
And you can go right around there.
Absolutely. And let's go back in, take one more browse through the room. But look, this room is really pretty. We're gonna enjoy spending some time here and hanging out at Disney. We like trying different hotel rooms and seeing different things. And I want that vanity there for my bathroom. I think it's so cool. Such a neat color.
And once again, we were talking about storage. You can store stuff under here and on top of here. That's very cool.
Lots of storage. Good morning, everyone. Here's what the pull-out couch looks like when it's folded out. Did you sleep good?
Yeah, I slept pretty good. It had enough room on it to sleep on, so that was nice.
It had enough room for 2 teen boys?
Yeah.
But it was just a pull-out sofa, right?
Yep.
And the pillows? Where'd you find the pillows?
We had to get the pillows out of the extra. So if you pull it down and there's no pillows on it, just don't be surprised. They're in the extra, there's a bag in the closet that says extra pillow blanket. It has 2 extra pillows in it and a blanket. So you need to get open and use that for the pillows.
But there's still lots of room between the couch and the bed. And plenty of room to move around. So it's not too bad. That's it for right now, you guys. Thank you for joining us on our tour of our Deluxe Studio Copper Creek Villa at Disney's Wilderness Lodge. My name is Melissa. I own Pixie Dust Adventures Travel Planners, and I can help you plan your next vacation. All of my planning services are based on hours of personal experience and are complimentary to you. Yes, I never charge any fees. And this is my helper.
I am Easton with Easton's Edge. If you want to see some funny skits that brighten up your day, go check out Easton's Edge. And like she said, not to go on too much, but if you would like to stay in this room, she can help you out with that.
And if you want to see more videos like these and other places we've stayed and we've been, then hit that subscribe button and check out our channel on YouTube, Pixie Dust Adventures. The website is pixiedustadventures.com if you want to find us. And thank you for joining us on this room tour.